Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 4.1. You can see two questions from Punjab textbook board. Let's solve these. We have to do what we have to do. We have to reduce these rational expressions to simplest form. As we can see that we are having a binomial square, x plus y whole square, and we know how to open it. So we will expand it, and it will be expanded like as it is x plus y whole square. So it will be expanded like x square plus y square plus 2xy. We have expanded this. And this minus 4xy, it remains as it is. And in the denominator also, we have a whole square of a binomial, which is x minus y whole square. And this will be expanded like x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now, in the numerator, we can see that these two terms, these are called like terms. We can add them. Now, after adding, we get plus 2xy and minus 4xy. They are solved, and it will become plus 2 and minus 4 is minus 2. So, minus 2xy. And in the denominator, we still have x square plus y square minus 2xy. And collectively, if we see these two terms, we can cancel out these two because they're exactly same. So they're cancelled with each other. And after cancellation, we are left with answer 1. Now move to the next question. Here's the question, right? And we can see that there is a term x cube minus y cube. And we have to apply its formula. And from your previous knowledge, you know that the formula is a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? We will apply this formula over here, and we will get the answer as x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. This is the expansion of this formula. And as we see, there's another term x square minus 2xy plus y square. So if we notice it, it is a whole square of x minus y. So we can write it as a whole square of x minus y. So you can see that this term is a whole square. So it is a whole square of x minus y, and we have written it as x minus y whole square. Now come to the denominator. It is x minus y, it remains as it is. And the next term is x square plus xy plus y square. As we cannot reduce it, we cannot factorize it, so it will remain as it is. And now we can see that a few terms are cancelled, like this and this. They're exactly the same term, so they're cancelled. X minus y is cancelled with x minus y. And whatever is left is x minus y whole square. And this is the answer. You can also write it as x square plus y square minus 2xy. It's the same thing. Right? I hope it's clear. Okay, let's see. Another question. X square minus 4x plus 4 divided by 2x square plus 8. So first of all, we have to see that how can we factorize them. If in the denominator we see it's a whole square. It's a whole square of x minus 2. How? So let me explain. If we take x minus 2 whole square, and if I open it, I expand it, it becomes x square plus 4 minus 2 into x into 2. How I have done it? First term square plus second term square minus 2 into first into second term. So it has become x4 plus 4 minus 4x, or I can also write it x4 minus 4x plus 4. So this term is a whole square of x minus 2. So that's why I can write it as x minus 2 whole square. Now in the denominator, there is something common, which is 2. So we can write it as 2 into x square plus 4. So now it can be written as There is a sign of minus over here, girls. Make it correct. It's a sign of minus. So now what we can do, if we look at the denominator here, it's x square minus 4, and we know that we can apply formula a square minus b square over here. As we are having a power of 2, so we can write it twice. I've written it twice, and I'm expanding it by formula x plus 2 and x minus 2. X minus 2 is cancelled with this, and whatever is left is the answer. It's the most reduced form which we cannot further reduce. So this is the answer. Okay, there is another question, and for this we are required to perform this indicated operation, and we have to simplify it. Now if we look at the denominator of both of these, they're same but with the opposite signs. 2x here it is plus, here it is minus. 3y here it is minus, here it is plus. So initially we should try to make them exactly same sign wise. How we can do this? By just taking a minus common. And how it is done? Take the first one same or the second one same. For example, if I'm keeping the first one as same but I'm taking a minus common from the second denominator, what will this minus do? This minus will change both the signs. Here it is plus, it will become minus. Here it is minus, it will become plus. So after the changes, this will become 2x minus 3y. This has happened due to this minus sign which I have taken as common. So now this minus and this minus, they will be combined, and minus minus, they are like multiplied, and it will give me a plus. Now the denominators are exactly same, and we know that if the denominators are same, their LCM remains the same and their numerators remains the same. So now it is 2x minus 3y, and 19 divided by 2x minus 3y, which we cannot further be simplified. So this is the answer. Now let's move to another question. For this, we have to perform the indicated operation and simplify. And this is again from Punjab. 4x minus 12 divided by x square minus 9 and divided by 18 minus 2x square divided by x square plus 6x plus 9. First of all, what we have to do, we have to convert this divide into a multiplication sign. So first of all, I'm doing this change. I'm converting it into a multiply sign. And what happens is that the term next to this is reciprocated. This is the next term which is being reciprocated. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Here this is the numerator and now it is the denominator, right? So now first we will factorize all of these one by one. We will see that what factorization technique we can apply. We can take 4 as common from here and it becomes x minus 3, and in the denominator we can have x plus 3 into x minus 3. It's simple, and this is a whole square of x plus 3, quite simple to understand. And in the denominator we have 2 common, and we're left with 9 minus x square. And here we can cancel out this with this, and x plus 3 and 1x plus 3 will be cancelled from here, and we will be left with 1x plus 3. So whatever is the simplified form after all this, we can cancel this 2 as well. Let me cancel it. This 2 will also be cancelled, and I can cancel it like 2 2s are 4. So it will become 2 into x plus 3. The terms that we are left with are 2 into x plus 3, and in the denominator is 9 minus x square. So I'm collecting all these terms, and in the next phase, we are going to see what we are going to do with it. Now I can change the sign of this so that it becomes x plus 3 and x minus 3. So for changing the sign, we have a tool which is taking a minus common. If I take minus common, this is a plus over here, it will be converted to minus, and this is a minus over here, it will be converted to plus. So it will become x square minus 9. And the time we do this, what happens is that we can factorize the denominator by a square minus b square, and it will become x plus 3 and x minus 3. And now these two are cancelled, and we are left with 2 over minus x minus 3, which can be written in so many ways as minus 2 over x minus 3. We can take this minus over here, or also we can write it as minus 2 over x minus 3, or also we can write it as 2 over 3 minus x or minus x plus 3. This can be multiplied over here and it becomes minus x plus 3, or also we can write it as 3 minus x. So these are so many ways of writing it. All of these are correct. Okay. Okay, now we are going to solve a question for evaluation. Evaluate this rational expression for these three different values. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 9, and z is equal to 4. And we have to evaluate this term. So we will put the values of x, y, and z. X is minus 1, as it is x cubed, so it will be minus 1 cube. Y is minus 9, then minus 2 into z. The value of z is 4, divided by x into z. X is minus 1 and z is 4. Now, minus 1 cube means minus 1. Minus 9 is minus 9. Minus 2 into 4 is 8. Divided by minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Minus and minus. Plus 9 minus 8 divided by minus 4 is 1 by minus 4, which we can write as minus 1 by 4 or minus 1 by 4. All of these expressions are correct. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.